Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Ben. We're back with another video. Currently in Florida on vacation right now. So I'm going to take you guys through a workout of what I'm doing on vacation. We're going to be in Planet Softness because I have a Planet Softness membership. And I'm in Florida, and since I have the black card, I can get in for free. Since I have a membership, I can go to any one of the Planet Softnesses out here. So yeah, in Florida. But I just wanted to make a quick video of a little chest and arms session. You already know. Not going too crazy. Was deciding if I wanted to take a whole week off and not train. But I have time to train. We're not doing too much on vacation. I have hour or two to spare to train. So, gonna get it in since we love training. Not just gonna not do something that I love, you know what I'm saying? So, gonna smash it. But I did want to come on here and talk a little bit about vacations, right? I feel like a lot of people, they try to use vacation as an excuse to not work out, eat like shit, and just like completely go off track of their whole, like, whatever their goal is. Like, let's say your goal is to lose weight. You think, like, just because you're on vacation means you can eat whatever you want. You don't have to work out. Like, for example, I've been going on a walk every morning for like an hour walk. And I love it. Like, I'm up before anybody else is up in the house. And I go out and go for a walk because I like it. And I'm burning calories, right? Even when I do eat, I'm not eating McDonald's or some bullshit food that is just not going to do anything for me. I went to the grocery store and I got a bunch of stuff that I usually eat. There's a big stigma around vacation, and I feel like people just use it as an excuse to go off of their diet, and I just don't think that should be the case. I think that if you're honestly trying to reach your goals, that you're gonna do whatever it takes to get there, even if you're on vacation. And the thing is, if you don't train when you're on vacation, it's not like a big deal. Like, if you physically can't train, you don't have the time. But like, if you do have the time to train and you just don't want to train, it's like, what are you doing? Like, you should be working out because you love working out, you know what I'm saying? So another thing, when you're on vacation, like I said before, the morning walks are key. Just any type of walking. If you can walk a lot, you're gonna be burning more calories than you otherwise would, which means you can eat more, which means you can indulge in like higher calorie foods. As long as it's in moderation, you're sticking to your calories, whatever, you're gonna be reaching your goals. But I just want to come on here and say that about vacations, don't use it as an excuse to just eat like shit. Stay on track, track everything you eat, and we reaching our goals, you know what I'm saying? But yo, I'm gonna get this workout in for you guys. I'm gonna record it. I don't really care. People are probably like, yo, what the fuck is this guy doing? But like, I'm Ben X Sag, bro. Like, what do you mean? Like, I don't care. Get a nasty chest and arms pump. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys through it. You already know it's gonna be a banger. Start the hard style, baby.
your soul is God.
Yo, shout out the kid at the Planet Fitness in Venice, Florida. You're a beast, bro. There's a kid in Planet Fitness. He's just getting into lifting, trying to get shredded. So I gave him some advice. Shout out you. You're a beast. Keep grinding, bro. Keep grinding. But it's post-workout, and I've heard really good things about this maple glazed donut 1 bar. So I'm gonna do a little taste test for you guys, let you know if these 1 bars are worth it. I prefer Quest bars. Kirkland is still the best protein bar. Kirkland cookie dough is the best, but this smells like a donut, so it better not disappoint. It smells so good, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not really getting donut. I'm getting maple syrup vibes. It's like if you put sugar-free maple syrup in a bar and put like vanilla shit over it. Like that's what it would taste like, to be honest. But the texture compared to a Quest bar is a lot better. Like, you know, a Quest bar is like super chewy and shit. Like it's not chewy at all. It's like very good. I'm just not getting like a donut vibe. It just tastes like sugar-free maple syrup to me, honestly. I think the Quest bar honestly still beats it because the Quest bar is a lot sweeter and like more like flavorful. Like a cookie dough Quest bar beats this probably, but still pretty solid, to be honest. Probably give it like a 7 or 8 out of 10. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But it's not beating the Quest bar. I gotta try more flavors of these 1 bars because I think this is the first time I've had a 1 bar, if I'm not mistaken. So maybe I'll try more flavors and maybe I'll like them. We'll see though. But we're gonna finish this. That is gonna do it for this video. Probably a little shorter, but I'm on vacation, like I said. So just thought I would take you guys through my workout while on vacation and give you guys some advice for your vacations. You guys already know all the links are in my description below. If you want to buy the cookbook dropped a couple weeks ago. Show me some love. Buy the cookbook, get shredded. You guys already know. Ben is out.